So now we are going to walk from the McDonald's by the All Star Resorts to Blizzard Beach. Let's go. God, my flop is squeaky. Sorry, folks. Should we jaywalk? Yes. I believe Blizzard Beach is just right inside there somewhere. The guy at the All Star Sports Concierge, I know, All Star Sports and Concierge, that's like two words that don't really go together. But he said it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk, depending on how fast you walk. So, it's been about 5 minutes so far? 4 minutes? 3? Yeah. This would actually make a great jogging path. I hear people in the trees. Maybe it's Blizzard Beach natives. What a lovely walk. Humidity is about 91%. Listen. Can you hear that? It's people. I don't think the park is open yet. It doesn't open until 10. Probably employees. There we go. That would make more sense than Blizzard Beach natives. soaking wet. So All Star Sports is a great place to stay. It's the first drop-off in the evening after going to an amusement park. And it's within walking distance of McDonald's and Blizzard Beach. And it's usually in the morning for going to parks. They usually run one line to each of the All Star Sports music and movies. So, it's a good choice. I like it a lot. Actually, not a lot, just, it's okay. The last time I stayed at the Wilderness Lodge, and that place is amazing. And the dolphin. Don't care for the swan or the dolphin too much. I think they're really overrated. But they're close to Epcot, which is great. And here we go. This is the Winterland Summer Golf Course coming up. I believe I can just walk over from there. This is real time, folks. I have not edited this in any way, so the counter you see on your screen is the exact amount of time it took to walk from McDonald's to here. It's a very short walk. And there you go. Done the mini golf here. Let's follow the little path. I guess I could have just cut through the parking lot there. So much jaywalking though, I gotta be cool at some point. I don't want to get thrown in the Disney Pokey. I wonder if they have a Disney Pokey. Gumby and Pokey? There are salamanders everywhere, by the way. If you've never walked anywhere in Disney World, they cross the path just all the time. Hey, it says right this way. Going the right way. The fun begins, it says. I hope so. I'm so freaking sweaty. Oh, what a cute little place. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll have to take up a round before I hit the water park. Oh my goodness, how cute is this place? I've never seen this before. Huh. Picnic tables and bark. Not a big fan. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. How super cool is this? Huh. I see a moving gate there on that castle. It's not very nice. And here we are, folks. Real time. Dun 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 dun. I'm actually a way bigger fan of Typhoon Lagoon, but Blizzard Beach has a few cool things. They have the big super tall slide, and the family raft ride is incredible. So, there we go, Blizzard Beach.